Now we import data from PDF to the Microsoft Excel, like tables and numbers inside the PDF. Let's start. We open the PDF file and find an example we can choose to transfer to the Microsoft Excel. We browse it, it will module this math here with sets of tables and data. We have already found a sample of data. Let's copy the sample that we've seen in the files we've seen on the PDF. Now let's open a Microsoft Excel, wait the Excel to open. And let's paste onto the Excel. This is our usual method of copy-paste, and let's see what will happen after pasting the data. And we have, that is what we have seen, it not fixed and we cannot use it in accordance with it. And now let's take the way for the data to be moved properly on the PDF. And this is the way. Let's go to ribbon and select data, click get data from file and from file from PDF. Then wait the PDF file to show and select our target sample on the PDF files. And this that we're looking for from this, the sample we're looking for, it's going to be reflected in everything we can get from the PDF, only we're going to get what we want to get data. And this we have seen and waited for us to see data on the Excel. And this is what we've seen in the Excel of the data we need on the PDF. It's just that easy. Thank you.